Hiya, Diesel. I fight. 40 I will take this train. I'll show you what troublesome trucks can do. The next time Hero popped up the hill, he's put on his brakes to help the trucks go slowly. Hero is a very strong engine, but Disesl is strong too. And Hero had to run very hard up the hill. When they came down the other side, Disesl what's going on? Big barrels of cream flew into the air. Not again! And splattered all over Sir Topham's hat. And Edward. And Hero. My trousers! Oh no! Sir Topham's hat was covered in cream. He was very cross indeed.
Hero, you have caused confusion and delay, and terrible trouble to my trousers. I'm so sorry, sir.
Disesl tried to sneak away, but Thomas was behind him.
Disesl, where are you going? Hero, why was Disesl pushing you in your troublesome trucks?
Disesl, was it you? Were you the one beefing and brushing me? And you spilled your milk this morning, Hero.
Sorry. I am very disappointed in you, Disesl. You must learn the proper way to look after troublesome trucks.
But sir,